Hello. Good evening, Mike.
Good evening.
Am I clearly audible? Okay. According to your timing, it's a good morning, right?
Yes, it's good morning.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay. What happened, Mike?
so,
Am I, is it clearly audible?
yes,
Okay. Okay, Mike. In which standard you are? Just let me
yes.
know. I mean, asking in which standard you are right now?
Let's see, Eastern.
Okay. No, I'm talking about in which standard, in which class you are right now. Like in school, you must be right.
Yes, senior.
Okay. 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 You are in seniors. Okay. Okay, let's come on with the question was that a drug trial had a 226 participants. Okay. A survey was done to gather information about the participants' experiment with the side effects. Okay. The table below gives the results for the two possible side effects. Okay. So basically, there was a drug trial and there were, we know that there were 226 participants were there. Okay. In order to gather the information about the participant experiment with side effects, okay, there is something information given to us. Okay. So basically, had anxiety but not down signs. There were 15. Had down signs but not anxiety. Okay, so we have to find out, draw a diagram firstly, right?
Yes.
Let's draw. Yeah, so basically let's draw the diagram. Just let me draw. Let me just draw it. Then it will be. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Okay.
Let me just draw it. My drawing is very, very bad. Seriously, I'm talking about. Okay, yeah. So basically, had anxiety. So let me draw it with the anxiety is determined by A, okay?
Okay.
And the next will what is it? Down signs, right? Drawn signs.
Yes.
Yeah. Drowsiness. Yeah, drowsiness. So this is D, drowsiness. Bigger one is D. And then, okay. So basically, this is a complete box. And this is the total participants, all participants, right? Okay. So in the information we are given that there were 226 participants, means there were total 226. Cool. Next. In the table given, there were anxiety but not down signs. Means we can we can write 15 over here. Right? This column
Yes.
is belongs to A but not D. Right? This is information given, right? Next.
Yes.
In the second one says had down signs but not anxiety. Means had down signs means this one but not anxiety means 126 will be over here, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now the third one is had anxiety or depression, down signs both. Okay. See, basically total we know that the total 226, and according to our formula we know that A union B is equal to A plus A, sorry, minus. It will be minus, right? We will subtracting the, minus A intersection B. You must have read this diagram, sorry, read this formula, right?
Yes. Yes. I know this
Yeah.
family. Yes, I
So
know
this
this
is
family.
basically, this is a total value. What is the total value? This is 226, right? 226
Yes.
is equal to what is the A? A is given as 15, right?
Yes.
Okay, but this is only A. It's the here A is uh, here A signifies complete A. But this 15 is only A, not complete A, right? So we cannot write in this diagram. Okay, let's see. Is there any other information given in the question? Okay,
Okay.
141 has it and or both. Okay, so basically there were 141 had either of them. Means there were 141 add this or this, right? So basically we'll be writing, let's add this up. 141 plus 126, it will be more than 226. Okay, how can we write this down? 226 A plus B minus, so basically this is the thing given to us. What is that? 141 is given as A intersection B, right? Just let me see, just be confirm this one. 226, there was gathered information about the participant experience with the side effects. Okay, or
Yes.
both. Basically add H or D or both, and means this information tells that there might be some participant who haven't conducted any of these, right? So what the question is asking, how many participants had down signs and okay, see, 141 at or both. Okay, see. So let me see. This is 126, 115. What is the remaining? 126 done. 126 plus 15, it will be 141. Right. Basically 144 done. How many are remaining? Over 226. Means out of 226, 144, 141 done. So let's see how many are remaining. 5. It will be 8. Means total 85 are remaining. Right? 85 are remaining. Means 85 where it will fit? 85 will be over here. Right? 85 will be coming over here. Okay?
Oh, could
Yeah.
okay, I have a question.
Yeah, say.
Okay, couldn't it be 141 in the middle too?
My sorry, what are you saying?
Oh, I said couldn't it be 141 in the middle, like where you put 85?
Mike, can you speak in English? Like,
Yes, I'm speaking English.
yeah.
Um, I said in the middle where you put 85. Couldn't it be 141 instead?
Um, instead of let me see, let me open the instead of 15, the 141, right? You're asking.
Yes.
See, basically, this 15 is given as only means this data. Let me just change the color. Basically, this diagram comprises of complete A, but if I talk about only A, not D, only A or D, so means it won't come, it will come under here, right? If we
Okay.
talk about 126 is in, if I say that 126 in D, if I
Okay.
say
Okay.
how many are there in A, how many there are in A, then we will be adding 85 plus 15 means total in A total are 100, right? In
Yes.
A.
Yes. Yes.
But if I talk
Okay.
about how many are only in A, means if I talk about only A means there is not D. And in
Yes.
85 people, they are in A as well as in D. Means there are only 15 people who are only in A. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
All these things vary. Only one word can, change the answer very drastically. Okay.
yes.
So we have to
Okay.
very clear, very
Okay.
keenly examine.
The,
Okay.
okay. Yes. The reason why I asked is because on the Venn diagram, like the table, it says that had anxiety or jaundicedness or both, and then it said 141. So that's why I asked. But thank you.
Okay. 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 Do you have any without me?
Okay. So you finished completing the questions, right?
Have you sent another question?
Oh. Oh. Did you finish this one? The one that I just sent you?
Just let me see. The first one, yeah, we have done with this question. We have finished. We have finished this question.
Oh, because
Because
outside the box. Why would I put?
outside the box, there were means there were all the participants are using. There is no person in the outside the box because in the question is they said that 226 are participant and all are being either anxious or depression or both. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna send you the other questions right now.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm here. Is the same question like related to the same Venn diagram or something like that?
No, it's a different one.
Okay. Okay.
Did you get it?
Uh, I haven't got it. Yeah, I've got it here. A student in statistics class is going to select seven of his classmates to ask a survey of question. Okay. Next, of his 15 classmates, there are seven students who live off campus and eight students who live on campus. Okay. So basically, let's start down this much of data. What's given in the question? Our first point is that. Okay. So basically, there are a student in a statistic class is going to select seven of his classmates. Okay. So basically, there is a student who want to select seven of his classmates. Out of how many classmates? Out of there are 15 classmates, right? He want to select seven out of 15, but in the question it is said out of 15 there are seven students who live off the campus. Okay. So let is off the campus O double F, how many? Seven are living off the campus and remaining are living eight. I think it's inside the campus. Yeah, live on the campus.
Yeah.
So was it in campus? Okay. So basically this is the thing. And the student want to select seven students out of this 15. Okay. No, there must be some condition given over there. Let's read the first question. In how many ways can he select? Okay, it's a permutation combination question. Okay. In how many ways can he select seven classmates if the number of students who live on campus must be greater than or equal to five? Okay. So basically it is saying that out of this 15 question, out of this 15, let's write it down again. Out of this 15, in how many ways he can select seven if the number of students who live on campus must be greater than or equal to. Okay, so on campus means on campus must be greater than or equal to five, right? Must be greater than, let me write it over. Okay. So means on campus can be five student, six student, seven student, right? This is on campus. Okay, and eight student, because in the question it was given that on campus there are eight students, right? And remaining are off student. Where is that? Remaining are seven are off. This is the question given. Let me just read it in the first one part. In how many ways can he select seven classmates if the student of number of students who live on campus must be greater than or equal to five? Okay, no issue about that one. So he have to select seven classmates, right? See. And the next question, in how many ways can he select seven classmates if the number of students who live on campus must be less than five? Okay, see. Basically, Mike can select, where the question is gone. Okay, Mike can select a student from the on campus. If someone is not present in the campus, how will I be able to select that person, right? Right. Suppose that I am living in a campus and I have to select seven students. I know in my class there are 15 students, but out of those 10 are off campus. They are living in their home. So I cannot go to their home to select, right? So means I have to select a student who is living on campus, right? Out of those I have to select. Also in the first question, it was given that the who live on campus must be greater than or equal to, means in on campus out of 15 on campus are more than greater than equal to 5, right? So how many condition will be there? There will be how many on campus? 5 can be, 6 can be, 7 can be, 8 can be, 9 can be, 10 can be, right? 10 and then 11, because if it is more than or greater than 5, remaining will be in off campus. Are you getting it, Mike? Yeah, yeah. See, so how many students will be there? Three, three, 6, and 7. Right. 7 student will be on campus. We have to write it down more. So basically, if it given here, it is more than one. Let's not go with this one. Let's sit down, write it down more. One. If it is living more than 5, means 4 are living off campus. So 11 will be living on campus. Minimum 11 will be living on campus. Right. So in the question, let's come on to this one. It says value must be greater than or equal to 5. Okay, now we have to select it. How many students are there? Must be greater than or equal to 5. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, yeah, we have to go until 15, right? I missed it. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so basically more than or greater than equal to or greater than 5. This will be the our conditional probability. So 5 can be, 6 can be, greater than equal to 5 means this. How many conditions are being satisfied? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Means in the first question he have 11 options. Right. On campus, there are 11 students are present, out of which how many he have to select? 7, right? So 11, 11 C 7, this will be our answer. Right, Mike? I can solve it again, like if we have to get the value 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 upon 7 factorial. See, 7 factorial will be cancelled out into 7 factorial upon 11 minus 7 means 4 factorial. Now 7 factorial goes down and 4 factorial will be 10 as 4 into 3 into 2, right? Now 4 into 2 will become 8, 8 will goes down, then 3 will 3 times 3 into 10 30, 30 into 11 330 will be the answer. 330 ways will be the answer of this question.
For the first one will be 330.
Yeah, first one will be 330.
Okay.
Yeah. Should I solve the second one, Mike?
Yes, please.
Okay. So the second question says, in how many ways can he select 7 classmates if the number of students who live on campus must be less than? No, it's a reversible that there are 15. On campus are less than 5. Must be less than 5. So how many more will be there? There will be 4, 3, 2, or 1. Right? If this is less than 5, then these are the conditions. Right? There can be 4 students, there can be 3, there can be 2, there can be 1, and there can be 0 as well. Right? People used to miss this one. There can be no one as well because there is one less than 5. So how many conditions are there? 3 to 5. Means there are 5 conditions. Right? And in how many ways 7 if the number of students who live on campus must be less than 5. So in this, there cannot be, there will be 7C5. Sorry, 5C7. Its answer will be, we cannot select any there won't be any way because there are total 5 students and I have to select 7 out of them.
Okay.
Right? There is no possibility to select 7 out of 5. Right? So
Yes.
this is a probably a bluff question. I would say second one. Okay.
Okay, so there's no answer for the second one?
Yeah, exactly. You can say the answer will be 0.
A zero for the second one. Let me see.
Yeah, of course, these are, if I say, if I give you 5 chocolate, I say you to select 7 out of them, you cannot do it,
Yeah,
right?
that yes, that is true.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, let me check it. Zero.
Answer is visible?
Let me check.
Okay, sure.
Uh, it says answer is incorrect.
What happened, Mike?
Yeah, it says the answer is incorrect.
Okay, this is 0 coming, right?
Yes.
And what's the first answer? Just match it, that one also.
330. The first one you said 330.
Yeah, let me come on the first page. Yeah, it was coming 330, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I think you must have got it. If you have any confusion, I can explain it again if you want, Mike. Like,
Uh,
yeah.
yeah, it's
Do
a
one thing, just because this is a good question, I would say. Just see the solution. If you have any doubt, I can explain it again. Don't worry about that one. Okay?
okay. Oh,
Yeah, no.
let me show you what it says.
Yeah.
The one that you said.
Mike, just a suggestion. By some network, issues. If the call ends, you can call me back again if by adding in your favorite. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Go on. Sorry to interrupt you.
All right.
Still.
All good. Yes,
Yeah.
I show you the explanation what it says.
Okay. You have sent me another question.
Yeah, it's a explanation.
Okay. 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 That have gone too lengthy, man. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Greater than equal to 5 and less than 5 number of ways to select 7 if the number of given campuses. If pick 7 classmates if the number of students who live on campus must be less than 5. Total number of ways to pick 7 classmates out of 15. Okay. Number of ways to pick 7 classmates if the number of people who live on campus.
Okay. Let me
Okay.
get the question.
So basically its answer is not coming 0, right, Mike?
Yeah. Yes. It wasn't zero.
0, but in this solution there's nothing mentioned about that it's a 0. It's not visible
No.
like there was 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 5, 5, right?
Yes. Yeah. It doesn't
Okay,
matter.
just
I
let
was
me
just
see.
yeah. It doesn't matter because I got it. When you explain it to me, I got it now.
You got it. Okay.
Yes. I
Okay,
send you
but
the other.
there might be some mistake over there. There might be some delay error. So I'm just figuring it out. Yeah. Okay, just let's don't waste time. If you got it, just leave it. Okay. We
Yes.
can
Yes.
move to the
Yes.
next. Yeah.
I send you the other question.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Let's come on with the one. Okay. So the question is, ordinary fair dice cube with the number 1 through 6 on the sides. Of course, there will be 1 to 6. Okay. Represented by painted spots. Okay, imagine that such a die is rolled twice in a succession, and that the face values of the two rolls are added together. Okay, so basically they are tossing two die at a once and in a succession, and they are adding the number which is coming on the face. Okay, the sum is recorded as the outcome of a single trial of a random experiment. So basically, you must have understood this question that they are throwing two dice at a time, and they are adding the number which is coming on the face of that two particular die, right? Okay, let's come on the question. What says? Compute the probability of each of the following events. Okay, so basically, events A says the sum is greater than 5. Okay, see, basically, there is a two die, right? We know that in each die there will be one, two, three, four, five, six. 1 to 6 number will be in the second one also. There will be 1 to 6 number, right? Both of them are being thrown in a succession, a lot together, right? So they are. I know that we know that the number coming on the face they are adding it. So first question, even first A says that the sum is greater than 5. Okay. So what is the condition that the sum will be greater than 5? If in the first die it will
Six,
appear 1,
7.
in the 1 6, right?
Yes.
Greater than, what is it? Greater than 5. Yeah.
Yeah.
So greater than 5 means 1 5 it can be. First question, first, oh, this will be 1 5 because 1 plus 5 will be 6, right? Which
Yeah.
is greater than 5. And next one will be 1 comma 6. Next which coming on the 2, 2 comma 4, right? 2 comma
Yes.
5, then 2 comma 6. Let's come on to the third one. 3
3,
comma, I think 3, right?
yes.
3 comma 4,
3,
3 comma 5,
3, 6.
3 comma. From this one we can see that here is a 2, here is a 3, here 4. In the next one there will be 5 conditions, right? No need to write it down in order to
Yes.
waste the time, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So in the fourth case there will be 5. In a fifth case there will be 6. And in a sixth case, there will be 7, right? In the fourth column, there is a
Yes.
fifth column, and there is a sixth column. Okay, see, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, and 20 plus 7, 27, right? It will be wastage of time if we would have been writing these 27 conditions, right? So basically
Yes.
our possible outcomes, the requirement of outcome is 27. What will be the possible outcomes, total outcome? Because we know that in one single dice there will be 6, right? And we are, if there are two dice, there will be 6 of square of 6, means there will be total number of outcome can be 636, right?
Yes.
Means see, if I throw a dice a single time, there will be 6 chances of coming. It can come 1 2 3 4 5 6, any number, right? But if I throw two dices at a time, or if I throw one dice two times, what will be the number of chances, irrespective of whatever number of chances, total probability, total outcome will be 6 to the power square. If I throw three dice, then it will be 6 to the power cube. Remember this, okay?
Yes.
These are total chances. Oh, okay. So there will be 36. Our favorable outcome is 27. This is 36. So probability of event A will be 27 favorable upon total number of event, that is 36. Right? Now we will
Yes.
cancel it. 9 3s are 9 4s. Our answer will be 3 by 4. Event of A will be 3 by 4.
3. 3. Say that again.
What
3
happens?
6. 3 6. Oh, 3 4. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now
Is it
B.
clear?
That means. Oh, it says decimal. So I need to simplify it.
Okay. I have to convert it. What is the decimal coming over there?
Say that again.
We can convert to decimal. It will be 3 by 5 can be converted to decimal. It will be 0.75.
Yes, that's the answer. Yes, that's the answer. Now you can go to
Is
the
it matching
next
with
one.
the answer key, Mike?
0. Yes.
Okay, I think you must
Yes.
have got it right, the answer. Okay, okay,
Yes.
cool. Mike, just remember one thing. Don't ever, write down all the conditions, because you know that in writing 27 possible conditions, there will be wastage of minimum 2 minutes, right? So if you
Yes.
get to say any sequence that again it is increasing by one, always examine these sequences, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I think Mike, our session may end in 30 seconds. So don't forget to add me in your favorite and call me again, okay? So that
Okay.
we can continue the session. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
I will
let's.
do it.
I'm beginning the session. Okay. You know how to add in the favorites, right?
The favorite. Yes.
At the end, if you won't be adding in your favorite, then you won't be able to call me again in the direct way. Okay.
Oh,
So
from
make
there
sure.
B. Yes. B. Yeah.
Yeah.
We are at that B.
Yeah, let's come on the B. I'll try to solve. If by session ends, you can call me again. Okay, I'll
Yes,
be
I
doing it.
will. Yes.
Yeah. So even B says the sum is divisible by 5 or 6 or both. This is a very good question. When comes or, there's a police going on, or both. From which country, Mike, you are?
America.
America.
Yes.
Okay. So let's solve this. The sum is divisible by 5 or 6. So firstly, write it down. What is the sum divisible by 5? Whenever it comes 5 or 6 or both, always do one thing. Write down this condition. Write down